Renault presented the new generation of its most successful commercial vehicle, the new Renault Kangoo van. Good morning, welcome to Tech Interceptor. The new Kangoo features a redesigned front with LED daytime running lights and an enlarged rear track, a lighting by LED headlights. Inside the cockpit we find many elements in common with the latest Renault models. First of all, the dashboard very similar to that of the Captur. At the center is the 8-inch infotainment compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Renault technicians have worked hard on the livability of the Kangoo. In fact, we find numerous compartments with a total capacity of 60 liters and which have 3 USB sockets and 3 12-volt sockets. The 3 seats have been reinforced with a more resistant foam and upholstery. Instead of the rear view mirror, there is a 7-inch screen connected to the rear view camera. The big news of the new generation of Kangoo is the Open Sesame system, which offers the widest side opening available on the market, 1446 mm. In fact, the new Kangoo has no B-pillar on the right side. Thanks to the expedient, long object can be loaded directly from the side axis, very useful when the rear door cannot be opened. Thanks to the swiveling divider on the passenger side, a flat cargo bed up to 3.5 meters long can be created. In addition, the easy inside rack can hold objects up to 2.5 meters long and with a maximum weight of 30 kg. Find a better organization of the load compartment. It will be available with 2 or 3 seats in the classic 2 lengths, standard 4486 mm and long of dimensions not yet communicated. The new Kangoo has a cargo volume ranging from 3.3 to 3.9 cubic meter in the short versions and from 4.2 to 4.9 cubic meters in the longer versions. Cargo length of 3508 mm by lead as the best in the industry, and the rear doors that can open from 19 degrees to 180 degrees, making it easier to access even if there is a little space behind the vehicle. The Kangoo van is available with 2 engines, petrol and diesel. The petrol is the 1.3 Tce with 100 horsepower or 130 horsepower. The 100 horsepower version is only available with a 6-speed manual gearbox, while the 130 horsepower version is also available with the 7-speed EDC automatic transmission. The diesel is the 1.5 Blue DCI with 75, 95 or 110 horsepower. As with petrol, the less powerful variant is only offered with the 6-speed manual gearbox. All engines are equipped with stop and start and the Euro 6D foolproof. Renault declares consumption 6.41 for 100 km for petrol and 5.21 for 100 km for diesel. Maintenance intervals are fixed every 2 years or 30,000 km. The Kangoo van offers a very rich ADAS package. It's equipped with adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lanes maintenance system, blind spot sensor, automatic high beams, road scene recognition, and the front and rear parking sensor. The electric parking brake will also be introduced in the course of 2021. Production will take place at the Renault plant in Belgium, while sales in Europe and worldwide will start in June 2021. Renault also announced that the electric versions of the Kangoo van E-Tech Electric will also arrive by the end of 2021. Available in both lengths, it will be powered by an electric motors with 102 horsepower and 245 Nm of maximum torque. Powered by 44 kWh battery, which, according to the manufacturer, will offer up to 265 km of range measured in the WLTP cycle. Changing takes between 19 and 26 hours with a common domestic socket, 7 hours with wallbox, and a 7.4 kW single-phase charger, 4 hours 30 minutes with 11 kW terminal, and a 16A 3-phase charger. With a 22 kW column, it's possible to charge the battery to 8% in 2 hours. With 170 kW, it takes just 42 minutes. As usual, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.